Hello everyone. Hello everyone. I'm just waiting for the people to join. I hope you are able to hear me. Please let me know if the audio and the video is clear or not. We'll try to fix if any issues. Yeah. Okay, let's get started. Hi everyone. Welcome to Vibha Indian Designer Boutique and today's live show. This is Vinaya Gopisetti. I hope the audio and video are good. Let me know if any issue. Yeah. First of all, I wish you all a very happy and prosperous new year. Welcome to 2021. This is our first live show in the new year. Thank you all for joining today's live show. And thank you for sharing our live show videos with your friends and family. And for the first time viewers, I'll speak a little bit about Vibha. Vibha is my signature label and our boutique is located in the heart of Sunnyvale, California. You can find our boutique address on Google, on our website, on our Facebook page and Instagram, and it is 998 East El Camino Real, Suite 206, Sunnyvale, California 94087. And till now, even I'm receiving messages asking, is Vibha is only a online store or do you have a physical store? This is our physical store located in Sunnyvale. And coming to the business hours, we are open from Tuesday to Saturday from 2 p.m. to 7 p.m. and on Sunday 1 p.m. to 5 p.m. and Mondays we are closed. No appointment is needed. You can walk into our boutique to check out our collections. We are strictly following all the COVID safety guidelines. And we are into Indian ethnic wear, bridal wear, Indo-Western contemporary wear for women. We also have limited collection for kids and men. And we have many different collections available at our boutique. If you live in the Bay Area or in the surrounding cities, you can stop by at our boutique to check out our collections and purchase. Or if you want, you can schedule a video call appointment so we can show our designs through video calls. And you can check out our website vibha.us. You can see some of our products, and still we are updating, trying to update our products. We also take custom orders. We take custom orders for all your bridal occasion, bridal events, special occasions, mom, daughter matching outfits or anything like that. If you have any custom orders in your mind, you can call us or you can stop by at our boutique and meet me in person to discuss. So I can work as per your requirement, as per your budget as well. So I have to repeat all these points because we see many new viewers every time joining our live shows. So I'm repeating all these points. And coming to today's live show, as I mentioned, today we are going to showcase a limited collection of exclusive Paithani silk sarees, and also a few dupattas and a few blouses as well for the upcoming festive season like Sankranti festival and all. These sarees are best suitable. And to briefly say about this Paithani sarees, actually there is so much to share and to know about these Paithani sarees, but I'll quickly share few points about these sarees. Coming to the origin of this Paithani, people say Paithani, it is Paithani, or you can say Paithani. So these sarees has origin in its antiquity, hailing from the royal dynasties of the medieval town called Patan near Aurangabad in Maharashtra state. And these Paithani sarees are named after the Patan town where the saree was first made by hand. The two places, Patan in near Aurangabad in Maharashtra and Oyal in Nasik, these are the two main weaving hubs for these Paithani silk sarees. These hand-woven fine silk sarees are considered as one of the richest sarees in India, symbolizing the spirit of true Maharashtrian culture. They are also called as Queen of Silks. Every Maharashtrian bride, they hold a important place for this Paithani sarees in her bridal trousseau. They are also like it is like a coveted heirloom which can pass on to one generation to another. Like mother passes this heirloom on to her daughter. Yeah, these Paithani silks has a very beautiful weaving technique, and so much I will share some of the points while I'm showcasing the designs. As like every time I'll show the saree or the dupatta or the blouse and the code of the saree and the details, and they will appear on the monitor here. If you like any of these designs, you can make a booking by sending a WhatsApp message to our WhatsApp number. Our WhatsApp number is 408-338-8147. You can send us a screenshot also, which is easy for us. And after the live show, we will reply to all your messages sharing the payment options. And after the purchase, if you want to, you can stop at our boutique to pick up the saree, or you can share your shipping address. We can ship to the given address. Shipping is free. So let's get started today's live show. First, I will start with my the dupatta what I'm wearing. This is a Paithani dupatta, beautiful green color, brocade weaving, and silver jari. It's a pure silver jari on both the sides, and it is a single munia border. Munia is, it's like a parrot. It's like the border is single munia, pure jari, and the pallu or the borders of the dupatta, you can see the motifs like peacock and also kalash. Yeah, it's a beautiful color, green color, single munia. And this is how it looks on the other side of the dupatta. These are all the complete hand woven silks, fine silks. They come with a rich ornamental jari, gold jari or silver jari, borders and pallu, and they are characterized with the like the pallus. You can see the motifs like a parrot or peacock, and the border. And the price of this dupatta, the code is VPD01, and the price is $315. Today's code is like a VPD, Vibha Paithani Dupatta 01, and the MRP price is $315. And you can team up these dupattas with a long gowns like this, what I am wearing, the plain colors, or you can team them up with a salwar suits, or with lehengas, or with skirt crop tops. You can style them up in a different way. So now I'll show the saris, the Paithani saris. The Paithani hand woven silk saree is like it complete hand woven, and as I said, it comes with ornamental jari, pure gold jari or silver jari, and some of the motifs which are very popular on these Paithani sarees, or like the motifs are inspired by Ajanta and Ellora caves. So you can see the influence of the Buddhist, those motifs like a color lotus. You have the more, that is the peacock, and munia, parrot, asavali, like flowers and veins, kalash. So many motifs are there. I'll start showcasing that. The first saree. This is a beautiful black color with bouquets all over the saree, and single munia border on both the sides. It's always the munia, the parrot is in the leaf green color, and so the mouth is appear in the red. This is all over the saree. You have these silver jari booties. And this is the pallu. This is the beautiful pallu, silver jari, and you can see the motifs like parrots, floral flowers in veins. These are called asavali motif, munia. And the saree looks like this. This is how the saree, and this is the pallu. It's a beautiful single munia color, a single munia border, and the silver jari borders and pallu. And as you all are aware, these sarees, they are done with fall picot, and they come with ready to wear blouses which are made in standard measurements like 36 and 38, and it has enough room to open up to adjust to your required sizes. And this saree comes with the blouse, same saree blouse. It is in black color, and the hem of the sleeves, you have the same single munia border. This is the back of the blouse. This is the saree and the blouse. And the code for this saree, it is VPS01, and the price for this is $535. VPS01, $535. One second. Sorry about that. next go with the second saree. Yeah, this is the second saree. It is a beautiful green. It's single munia saree. So like the previous saree what we saw in black and the similar style, it is single munia, all over booties on the saree. And coming to the pallu, this is the pallu. It's like a pot coming the flowers, geometrical pattern. And the saree looks like this. This is the pallu. Let me show you again. Yeah. And the saree looks like this. This is the saree. And here is the pallu. And the saree comes with the blouse. It's the same saree blouse, green blouse. It has the single munia border on the hem of the sleeves. And this is the back. This is how the saree and the blouse looks. And these are all the, as I mentioned earlier, these are all the saree blouses, and the blouse comes with the saree. It's the running blouse. So we try to keep the standard styles for all these blouses. If you want in a different style blouse or the pattern blouses or any contrast color or contrast design, we have many blouses available at our boutique. If you can message us, I can show the available options of the blouses for these sarees also. This is the, I'm trying to keep the standard style for this, for the saree blouses, what it comes. But if I mean, I'm receiving the messages like some of them are interested for the contrast style or a different pattern style. So we can suggest those kind of blouses also. And for the code and the price for this saree, it is VPS02 and the price is $535. VPS02 and it is $535. So today we have a very limited collection of these sarees and a few dupattas and blouses. But we started working with our weavers in Maharashtra of these Paithani sarees. So we are able to take pre-orders for the Paithani sarees. You know, this is the first time we are having the Paithani sarees at our boutique Vibha. But since we are, as I said, we are working with the weavers in Maharashtra, so we are able to take pre-orders. The weavers they have so many other designs available. So if anyone is interested for other style of these Paithani sarees, we can show those designs and we can take it as a pre-order. I can tell you how long it will, the duration of the weaving, how long it will take for your order, or the price details and all like that. Today we have a limited collection today I'm going to showcase. And the next saree, this is a beautiful purple actually. Brocade weaving, you see booties all over the saree, and this is like a gold jari borders and pallu. This is like, this is called the Bharwa Punjab border. Bharwa Punjab is like a geometrical pattern of the flowers and the leaves. It is like a jewel tone sari. The Patani saris, they come in single colors, and also they have the kaleidoscope colored variety as well. It has like in the warp weaving they take one color, and the warp weft weaving they take another color. That's how the kaleidoscope effect will come in the Patani saris. And coming to the pallu, has a beautiful weaving. You can see the motifs of peacocks, floral, asavali motif, like its flowers and the floral veins. So it looks like this. This is the sari. Beautiful borders. And this is the pallu. And this sari comes with the blouse, the same sari blouse in purple. And again the sleeves at the hem, they have the same borders. And this is the back of the blouse. This is how it looks. And the code for this one and the price, it is code VPS03 and MRP is 625. VPS03, MRP is 625. This is how it looks. The pallu is very beautiful. We have so many other designs. As I said, we have elaborated the latest designs like all over patterning and seven munia and so many other latest big border designs. So we are working with the weavers. So I can, if anyone is interested, I can share those designs and you can place as a pre-order sari. And the next one. This is a beautiful black again, silver jari, motifs all over, and more peacock borders. More, you can see the peacock and the parrot in the borders on both the sides. This is all the sari. And coming to the pallu. This is a beautiful pallu. You have the motifs of more, that is peacock, parrot, beautiful colors. It's a pure silver jari. And another important point of these patterning sarees, like these are all pure handloom sarees. To know the right quality of the sarees, if you turn around both the sides of the saree, this is the front side of the saree you are seeing. If you see the back side, it looks the same. That is the main, if you turn around and see, the design looks the same. So that is the main, one of the important feature to identify the right Paithani sarees. And the saree looks like this. So beautiful black, silver cherry borders, and the pallu. And the blouse for this one, This is the blouse for this saree. This is the black blouse with the same borders on the hem of the sleeves. This is the back, and this is how the saree looks like this. So the code for this one, it is VPS04 and MRP price is 775. VPS04 and MRP price is 775. The Paithani sarees, if you read about the weaving technique and how they weave, it's very interesting. It has very intricate and fine weaving. That's why even the silks they use are very fine silks. The silk threads are very fragile. If you see the fabric texture and all, it is no other fabric is compared to the fabric of these Paithani sarees. That's why the duration to weave these sarees, it will vary from 2 months to 2 years also, depending upon the design and the intricacy of the design. It takes 2 months to 2 years. That's the beautiful weaving they do. And the next saree, this is also beautiful saree. It's a dual tone. It's orangish yellow, silver jari borders. This is a triple munia borders in silver jari. We saw single munia. This is a triple munia. We have butti, silver jari buttis all over the saree. And coming to the pallu, this is the pallu, the saree, parrots. It's a beautiful pallu. You can see the parrot motifs, floral motifs, the veins. Okay. And the saree looks like this. This is how the saree looks. And this is the pallu. And this triple munia border saree, it comes with the same saree blouse. This is the border of the hem of the sleeves. This is the back. And this is how it looks. And pallu. And the code for this one is VPS05 and MRP is $595. VPS05 and MRP is $595. This is how it looks. Well, during the weaving, the setup of the loom itself, it's like it takes one whole day, you know, for the weavers to set up, and they determine the design and the pattern, the colors, and they hand over each and every thread. So it's it needs very skilled labor artisans, weavers, which needs to understand they should have the deep knowledge about these silk threads, fabrics. That's how they do. When they weave also, the weaver, they focus on the, you know, at the same time they focus the hand, foot and eye coordination. So simultaneously they should have the complete focus on that. That's how they weave. So that's the That's why these are expensive also. Very beautiful. If you touch them also, you can see the texture, very fine silks. So I am in love with all these sarees. And the next one, this is also a triple munia saree. It's a navy blue, dark navy blue with silver jari borders and pallu. All over the saree you see the silver jari booties and triple munia borders on both the sides. And coming to the pallu, it's a beautiful pallu. You can see the munia motifs, parrot, complete silver jari. The saree looks like this. This is how it looks. And this is the pallu. And again the blouse for this one is the saree blouse, the same color and the same borders at the hem of the sleeve. And it looks like this. Most of the Paithani sarees, they come with these booties. The highlight of these sarees are the borders and the pallu. And the code for this one is VPS 06 and price is 595. This is VPS 06 and price is 595. If you like any of these sarees, you can send us a WhatsApp message. It's the WhatsApp number is 408-338-8147. And the next saree, this is the last saree of the collection. It's a beautiful green. And it's a gold jari borders and the pallu. You see the more peacock and the floral borders. And booties all over the saree. Very beautiful. So coming to the pallu, very rich and very beautiful pallu. You can see the motifs, peacock, floral motifs and all this. So it's complete gold jari. And the saree looks like this. And this is the pallu. And the blouse for this one, it is in the same color, green color. And this is the blouse. It comes with the border. And this is the back of the blouse. And this is how the saree looks. Very traditional color, beautiful green. This is the pallu. And the code for this one, it is VPS 07 and the price is 855. VPS 07 and price is 855. This is how it looks. So these are the limited collection of sarees in today's Paithani collection. As I said earlier, other than these designs, if you like any of these designs but you want in different color and different design, please let me know. We can always coordinate with our weavers. And we have so many designs available with our weavers also, like some of the latest Paithanis like Seven Munia and also all over design sarees and many others. Since this is the first time we are getting at our boutique, I got very limited designs done, but we can take pre-orders. So if you like any of this, make a booking by sending us a WhatsApp message, or if you are looking at a different blouse for this saree, you can message me. That also I can show and share the available options of the blouses. And if you are looking for the pre-orders, let me know. I can share the details for that also. And now we will move to the dupattas. We have few collection of Paithani dupattas I will show. This is one I already explained about this, and the next one in this is beautiful burgundy color, silver jari borders on both the sides. It's a single munia border all over the dupatta. You have the silver jari borders, and both the sides of the dupatta, the pallu or the border is in you can see silver jari, and this is the motifs or like a peacock and geometrical leaf patterns. This is the other side. This is how it looks. As I said, you can team them up with the salwar suits or the plain long gowns, lehengas or skirt crop tops. You can style them up in a different way. And the code for this dupatta and the price details, it is VPD02. VPD02 and the price is 315. 350. This is how it looks. And coming to the next dupatta. This is a lovely color. It's like a dark peach coral pink one. It's a gold jari borders and pallu, and all over the dupatta you see the gold jari booties. And this is again the single munia border on both the sides. And that is the border or the pallu of the dupatta. You have the peacock motifs, and this is the other side of the dupatta. Looks very pleasant and elegant. And the code for this dupatta and the price is VPD03 and the price is 295. VPD03 and price is 295. Let me know how you are liking today's collection. First time showcasing the Paithani. I remember a lot of you people requested about these sarees. So we got few designs done, and we have many more designs available for the pre-orders. So let me know in the comments how you are liking the collection, or if you have any other suggestions or the feedback, please feel free to share your suggestions and feedback. And the next dupatta, it's a beautiful hot pink and gold jari. all over the dupatta you have these gold jari booties, and this is triple munia border. This is munia is the parrot. This is the triple munia border on both the sides, and this is the bottom border or the pallu of the dupatta. Beautiful. You can see the lotus flower motifs and also the peacock. More. These Paithani sarees are they are classified into three depending upon this. One is like basing on the motifs, and the other is basing on the weaving, and the other is basing on the colors. It's a beautiful color. This is how the other side of the dupatta is this. So, as I said, if you turn around and see the other side of the Paithani sari or the dupatta, it looks the same. That is how you identify the right Paithani, handloom Paithani. So this one, the code for this dupatta and the price, it is VPD04 and the price is $375. $375. It's a beautiful color. These are the pure jari, pure silk Paithani sarees. Now I have few. The Paithani, it's a pure silk, but the jari is not the pure silver or like the gold jari. It's a fancy jari. I'll show them as well. I have few designs in that also. In that, this is the first one. It is in green color. It's like a green and dark maroon. You see the jari, gold jari booties all over the dupatta, and these are the borders. And this is the bottom border of the dupatta. It is in, you can see the motifs like a geometrical. You have a kalash motif and the peacock motifs. This is how it looks. So this is the fancy jari. It's not the like how the previous designs what we saw. That is a pure jari, silver jari. This is the fancy jari in Paithani concept. And the code for this one and the price is, it's a BPD05 and the price is $165. In this we have another color, purple and orange. Nice purple color. You see the booties all over, and at the bottom these are the similar style motifs, the peacock and the kalash, and this is the other side of the dupatta. And this one, the code is VPD06 and MRP is 165. The dupatta code is VPD06 and the price is 165. And in this style we have one more dupatta. This is also beautiful combination of white and pink. Beautiful combination. You see the gold jari booties all over and the borders, and this is at the bottom of the dupatta. Nice. You can see the peacock motifs and the floral motifs. And this is how it looks. the code and the price for this one, it is VPD07 and the price is 165. This is another style in the Paithani dupattas. Yeah, we are done with the dupattas collection also. Now I have a few Paithani, pure Paithani silk and the jari blouses. You can team up with different saris, or if you want to team up with the saris what I had showcased in the beginning of the show, you can team them as a with a contrast blouse. Let me show those blouses also. This is the first one. It's a royal blue. It has checks, jari checks, gold jari checks all over, self checks. And this is the single munia border at the hem of the sleeves. This is the back. The jari tassels. It looks good. You can team up as like a contrast blouse. Not necessarily you should team them up with the Paithani saris. You can do with the other kind of handloom saris or any other style saris. And the code for this one, VPB01, and the price is 115. 115. And all these blouses are made in the standard measurements like 36 and 35, 38, and each blouse has enough room inside to adjust to the required sizes. And the second one in the similar style we have in orange, dark orange, gold jari checks all over, and triple munia border at the sleeves, hem of the sleeves. This is also beautiful color. And yeah, the details for this, the code is VPP02 and the price is 115. And we have a couple of more in the blouses. This is the purple, more peacock border, gold jari all over the blouse. You have gold jari checks and brocade border, more peacock, and this is the back. And the code for this one, it is 03 VPB03 and the price is 145. 03 and price is 145. Yeah, we carry our Vibha blouses. We always have huge demand for those. We give a high importance to all the details of the finishing, the fitting, everything. We give high importance to all these details. So we have in different materials also, fancy style blouses, handloom cotton blouses. We also Maggam work embroidered blouses, which you can team up with the different styles of saris or lehengas. You can check them out. You can check out our website also. Some of our products are there, or you can check out our Facebook page or Instagram profile, and you can send us a WhatsApp message. I can share the available designs. And the next one, this is also again the royal blue color with the more peacock border. This is the back. And the code for this one is VPP04 and MRP is 145. VPB04 and MRP is 145. And the next is the last blouse of the blouses Paitani blouse collection, and that is the last product of today's live show, the Paitani collection. Please let me know about today's collection. What is your which style you like the more, single monia or triple monia, or are you looking for other styles? Share your feedback and suggestions and about today's collection, and please make the booking if you like any of these designs. And we shared our WhatsApp number, and you can also stop at our boutique to check them out in person. And we have more live shows lined up and the new year, and the next weekend also we have another live show. So follow us and like our page on Facebook and follow us on Instagram and all. You will get all the updates and notifications about our upcoming live shows or any new collections we are working. And if you have any custom orders, as I mentioned, you can call us or you can schedule an appointment to meet me in person at boutique. We take all your custom order requirements. And the last blouse of today's collection, it is also Paitani. It's a gold tissue, orange gold tissue blouse. On the sleeves you have this parrot motif on both the sleeves, and also at the back, this is how it looks. This blouse has the front placket opening because it has this motif on the back. It goes very well with many colors. And the code for this one and the price is VPB05, and price is $195. VPB05 and the price is $195. So yeah, that's it. Today's as I mentioned, it's a limited collection in this exclusive Paitani sarees, and we also showcase a few dupattas and blouses. You will also get material for the lehengas and also for the salwar suits. There are so many choices. As I mentioned, we got very few designs done, but many designs are available. If you want to place as a pre-order, we are working with the weavers in Maharashtra. You can reach me out if you want to check out the latest other designs in these Paitani, which are the price varies depending upon the design. And all these are hand woven silk, pure handloom, fine silk Paitani sarees. You can I don't know in the video live show how whether you can the quality how it is appearing, but if you check them out in person, you will definitely love them. I hope you all like it, today's collection, and let me know your feedback and suggestions and what other collections you would like to see. And follow us on social media to get all the updates about our upcoming shows and many other events we are planning in the new year. Thank you all. See you all soon. Till then, stay safe and stay healthy. Thank you. Take care. Bye.